La 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 la.
Beautiful day in the neighborhood.
I'm telling ya. Good morning, YouTube. How are you on this glorious afternoon? It's so nice out. Oh, it's so nice.
Beautiful. B-A-E. Oh, I can't even do it. Edit that out.
Why? I
Good.
think it's funny.
We should get B-E-A beautiful. There we go.
B-E-A beautiful.
See, I don't see no dust coming up, though, do you?
Back there I did. I don't see it here. It was funny. The key guy called. Did you have phone? This was like, now you gotta remember, what?
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 What, me?
What?
Yeah, you double what me. I was in the process of saying something, and then you what me. Don't make me what you back. I'll what you all over the place.
I hope you want me pretty good, because I really need to be wanted pretty hard.
You want to be whatted?
I want to be wanted.
I'm gonna what you.
All right, what me? What?
What?
Primo Pizza, throat school, where they make you teach you how to make brooches. I don't understand throat school. There you go. That's
Oh, there's an ice cream place. It actually says ice cream on it.
wow.
No name, just says ice cream.
Ice cream. Well, maybe they couldn't come up with a name, so they came up with ice cream.
It's probably an Oriental place.
Like nails or massage. We do massage.
Pretty basic. Oh, me ice cream you long time.
Right?
You want cream? Creamsicle?
Oh, okay. Well, thank you so much for watching to the end. You rock.
Yeah, thanks for watching. You know, if you could hit that like button, it sure would be nice. You know,
Okay.
that little button that has a little thumbs up.
Yes.
Yeah, the thumbs up helps because it definitely makes me want to do more editing and adding more stuff and taking the time to do it. When I don't see as many, I just sort of get discouraged and just sort of go, yeah, who cares?
If you like us, we'll like you.
Yeah.
There you go. You had to do that for the kid. You're so sweet.
He jumped.
See, well, he smiled at you.
Yeah, he did.
He was happy. Probably scared him a little bit, but at least you wait until he was past you. You didn't do any
Well, yeah,
stuff.
I
That would have
didn't
been
do the
rude.
dick move where, you know, made him
Yeah.
like totally jump or anything.
No, but he looked.
Yeah.
So is that a good finish, honey?